Tips to help you stop worrying
are the same interesting ways to stop worrying.
by
Remind
yourself
yourself
that
that
worrying
splendid
doesn't
minutes
stop things
yet
happening.
vanish
Things
during
will
your
happen or
haziest
not happen
hours.
anyway.
Positive
2.
pressure can
Recognize
assist
that
you
what
with
ifs
being
don't
more
usually
joyful.
help with
Also,
problem solving.
more useful
It's better
at work,
to use
as
logic
indicated
and
by new
brainstorm for
overview
solutions.
information.
Take control
Burning
of
through
your
cash
emotions
on
by
others
using rational
yields
thinking.
more bliss
3.
and
Motivate
spending it on
yourself by something other than
Appealing
worrying.
female
Take a break
understudies
and do something
no
fun,
more
and
procured
then go
higher
back to your
grades.
work again.
Since
That
classes
positive
moved
approach
on the
will reap
web,
more
certain
benefits.
individuals
4.
are
Face
really
your
scared
fears
of
and
being
do the
too
things that
blissful.
you worry
In
about.
light
The
of the
thought is
fact
often
that they
much
think
worse than the
something
actual thing you
unfortunate
fear.
will
5.
happen soon.
Ask yourself,
This is
what's the
known
worst
as
thing that could
cherophobia.
happen?
Persuading
Then, what
yourself
are the
you
chances
rested
that it will happen?
soundly
Then
can
will you
stunt
survive
your
it?
cerebrum
If it happens,
into thinking
in the
it
end,
in reality.
usually,
That
did
helps
you
to move
failed
us
to
from an
remember
extreme
90
and
of your
irrational way of thinking
fantasies
to a more
inside
realistic
5
and
minutes
reasonable
of
way of
awakening?
thinking. The ability
6.
to
Teach
understand
yourself a
people
range of
at their
relaxation
core
strategies
frequently
and then
matters
concentrate
more
on
than
them
mental
instead of on
knowledge.
your different
When
fears.
it comes
Or
to progress
adopt a
throughout
mindful approach
everyday
and
life,
keep your
the
focus on
manner
right
in
now.
which you dress is connected to your temperament. Dressing great settles and moves along nature of joy, diminishing the gamble of sadness. Joy, outrage, bitterness, dread, disdain, and shock are the 6 feelings that are all around. Communicated female chronic executioners represent as it were 8% of all American sequential executioners. Yet American females represent 76 of the multitude of female chronic executioners around the world. Therapists exhibit why feeling appreciated is especially significant for avoidantly connected people. Hopeful data times experience a thoughtful pregnancy, showing side effects that equal their pregnant life partners. Actual changes like weight gain or queasiness, relationship issues might increment risk for self-destructive troopers. Professing not to mind is the propensity for somebody who by and large cares the most. It is known as a profound guard system. Concentrate on shows that youth prosperity isn't harmed by video games, with the people who are weighty gamers announcing higher prosperity than those who play less or don't play. Individuals who see themselves as appealing are more inclined to act egotistically, thanks to mental qualification. An investigation discovered that uninformed individuals are bound to accept their splendid, while canny individuals underrate their capacities.